May and Shay went back to their quiet life in Skerries. They had 2 more children, Darren and Andrea. In 1981, Shay had a vasectomy. May never sought celebrity. No book tours. No political campaigns. She returned to raising her 6 children. For years, even her own children didn't fully realize the pivotal role their parents had played in Irish history. But the impact of her case continued to grow. The constitutional right to privacy recognized in McGee v. Attorney General would influence future legal challenges involving reproductive rights, marriage equality, and LGBTQ+ protections. In 2023, May received the Trinity Preces Elite Award from Trinity College Dublin Law Society, an award founded by former President Mary Robinson, recognizing her immense contribution to Irish law and society. In September 2025, a sculpture was unveiled in Floraville Park in Skerries, honoring her legacy. May attended the ceremony. Weeks later, on October 28, 2025, Mary May McGee died peacefully at Beaumont Hospital in Dublin, surrounded by her family. She was 81 years old. Her husband Shay had died in January 2024. By the time May died, Ireland had transformed. Contraception was widely available. Marriage equality was law. Abortion had been legalized. Few young Irish people knew the full story of how those freedoms began. But they traced directly back to a young mother in the 1960s who was told something impossible, that staying alive might make her a criminal. She refused to accept it. She refused to die quietly to satisfy a law. Instead, she challenged the government, the church, and a legal system that had never been questioned. And she won. Sometimes revolutions are loud, protests filling streets, headlines screaming change. But sometimes they begin in a hospital room with a doctor delivering a terrifying warning, and a woman deciding that the law doesn't get to decide whether she lives or dies. May McGee didn't set out to become a symbol. She just wanted something simple: the right to live. And that was powerful enough to change an entire country.